Hey, what up guys, your girl Damo. I'm back to bring you guys another video as always. But before we get into this video, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below so you'll be up to date with all of my videos. So as you can tell by the thumbnail, this is for sure an unboxing video, and today I'm going to bring you my latest pickup, which is the Air Max 1s. Here's the tag. These are the De'Aaron Fox Swipa Air Max 1s. I thought these were super dope, so I had to pick them up. So let's get right into the sneaker itself. I have to show you guys each shoe individually because as you can see they're vastly different. But these are what the sneakers look like. One is blue, one is majority red. I'm going to do each sneaker one by one. The left shoe, it's the majority red. It has the baby blue up here. This is more like a canvas material on the toe box. Then you have the swoosh, which is like a holographic material. And you have the uppers. It's not, it's like a furry, I don't know what kind of material this is. It's like a furry suede, like some like teddy bear material. That's what it reminds me of. And then you have the netting and you see the big swiper on the back. Then on the opposite side of the blue swoosh, on the inside you have a pink swoosh. I think that's super dope. You have the white outsole, black and white sole. Let's get into the inside. On the insole, it has like scientific equations and stuff like that on the insole. It looks like that. I'm not sure if you can really see it, but it's in like lime green, the insole. And again, this is the left sneaker, the red one. Now let's get to the blue sneaker. This is majority blue. The canvas toe box is an orange colorway. It still has that teddy bear material. The tongue is tan, and I believe this is a 5 or an S on the toe, the tongue, sorry. It has that holographic swoosh on the side, the netting on the upper, the swiper on the back. And it also has the scientific equations on the inside. The same sole. The only thing that I would change about this pair of sneakers, I wish that on the right shoe that they would have put the pink swoosh on the outside instead of both sides having the same color swoosh. I wish the pink one would have been on the outside of this one, just to, you know, kind of break up all of the blue that's on the sneaker. But other than that, I love these sneakers. Like, I love the different textures. You guys already know I love a good shoe with a lot of textures, and this definitely has it, from the canvas, the holographic, the teddy bear, the netting, I'm not even sure what this upper is. It feels like suede-ish material. I'm not sure what this like material is. Like, these are super dope. For sure they're not everybody's cup of tea because I'm pretty sure that they're still sitting, but I think these are a good collection piece. Like, years from now people are gonna be like, yo, I really wish I would have copped these because I can't find them now. So I feel like that's what these are going to be in a couple of years. If they're still available in grade school and men's, I'll link these down below. I had to pick mine up from Kids Foot Locker because not a lot of places was actually carrying this pair. So I was able to, you know, luck up on these and get them from Kids Foot Locker. But these are super fire, like super fire. Like, I don't own any sneakers that have like a teddy bear material on them. Like, these are fire. But that's all for my Air Max 1 Swipa edition unboxing. Stick around for the on foot. The on foot of these will be up shortly. So as always, thank you guys for joining me in my video. I will most definitely see you guys in my next video. And again, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below so you can be up to date with all your girls' videos. So until next time, I will definitely see you guys later.